Dear students, we'll do notice writing today. It is a short composition written in 40 to 50 words. What is a notice? It's a formal means of communication. What is its purpose? It is used to announce or display information to a specific group of people. It is pinned up on display boards in schools, public places, or it is published in newspapers. It is an informative piece. What are the important things in notice writing? The important contents of notice writing are: you need to write the name of the organization or institution which is issuing the notice. After that, you have to leave a line and write the title, the word notice. After writing the word notice, you have to write a heading that should be catchy. Catchy in the sense, it should be impressive enough to attract the attention of the readers. It is used to introduce the subject of the notice. You need to mention the date of the notice, body of the notice which will contain your message, and at the end you need to write the writer's name, signature and designation, that is at which post the writer is. Let's see how it is written. First, on the top comes the name of the organization, institution, office of issuing, the one which is issuing the notice. You need to write the name of the institution, organization in capital letters. My dear students, keep in mind the name of the organization, institution, office is to be written in capital letters, which is compulsory. You need to underline it, leave a line, and in the middle of your page you need to write the word notice again in capital letters. Again in capital letters. And parallel to notice, in your left side you need to write the date of the notice. After writing this, leave a line and write the heading of the notice, which should be catchy and impressive, and this heading can be written in running letters. It is not compulsory to write this heading in capitals, but the name of the organization or institution is to be written in capital letters. Then the body of the notice. After you have written the body, at the end first comes the signature of the issuing authority. After signature, the name, and then designation. The points to be remembered: what you have to do in notice writing is, you have to remember 5 W's. You have to use 5 W's. What is going to happen? That is the event, where it will take place, the venue, when it will take place, date and time, who can benefit from the information, and whom to contact. What, when, where, how, whom to contact. These WH family questions you have to answer in the notice writing, which makes 50 words. Now, notice writing is to be written in the passive voice, and it is compulsory to put notice in a box. Your word limit should be 40 to 50 words. This 40 to 50 words include the body of the notice, only words in body. Information given must be clear, to the point, very relevant. No need to write anything extra, only to the point information. It should not cause any sort of misunderstanding or confusion. That's why it is to be written to the point. Catchy, appealing, attract attention at once. At once, the reader should be clear as to what is the notice regarding. Take care where to use bold letters, that is the capital letters, as I had told. The name of the institution, organization to be written in capital letters. No personal pronouns to be used, that is I, we, our. Especially I. You cannot use the word I in notice. Short but grammatically accurate sentences. Don't write long sentences. Short sentences but accurate, correct sentences. Look at the marking scheme, how it is divided. The name of the institution, organization, word, notice, the heading, the date. It carries 1 mark. The name and designation carry half mark, 1.5 mark for your format. Placing the notice within a box. Box is compulsory. It carries. He and some other students of the school are touched by the plight of the poor and the destitute in the state-run homes and wish to make a difference in their lives by lessening their sufferings. They decide to raise funds for this purpose. Write a notice not exceeding 50 words, making an appeal for generous donations. Appeal means to request. See now how it is written. Your help and cooperation are required to make a difference in the lives of the less fortunate living in the state-run homes. Donate generously. Deposit your contribution to the school librarian. You can write it in the form of paragraph also. No need to make points as it is made by, during, in the. It can be written in the paragraph itself. And you can start it this ways also. This is hereby informed that our society is raising funds for the downtrodden people. Okay? Or you can start this ways also. All are hereby informed that. And the last line could be, for further information, contact the undersigned. Okay? For further information, contact the undersigned. You can write it. Okay? You can use these lines also. If you feel that these are difficult, you may use the lines which I have told. Yes. Just see the way the notice is written. This is the way, a wrong way of writing notice. So take care, you should not write it like this. This is the right way of writing the notice. So you have to write it like this. Okay. So that's it. This is the notice writing. Use the word I in notice. Short but grammatically accurate sentences. Don't write long sentences. Short sentences but accurate, correct sentences. Look at the marking scheme, how it is divided. The name of the institution, organization, the word notice, the heading, the date. It carries 1 mark. The name and designation carry half mark, 1.5 mark for your format. Placing the notice within a box. Box is compulsory. It carries half marks. Content, that is the body, and the language contains 2 marks. Right? Yeah. Look at the sample question. On the occasion of National Science and Technology Day, the Delhi Public School, New Delhi, has decided to organize a science fair. Vikram, the secretary of the Science Society, wants to call a meeting of the office bearers of the society to discuss the arrangements for the fair. Write a notice in not more than 50 words. When this is written, not more than 50 words, you cannot exceed the word limit. Is that clear? Yes. Now see, half of the content you'll get it from the question itself. How to answer it? Name of the issuing authority, Delhi Public School, New Delhi. This is to be written in capital letters, though here it is not given in capital letters, so don't get confused. You have to write it in capital letters. Underline it, leave a line, the word notice. The date here is given in the right side, but you have to write it in the left side. To be very clear, it is to be written in the left side. After that, leave a line and the heading of the notice. Meeting of Science Society. On the occasion of National Science and Technology Day, the school has decided to organize a fair. All office bearers are requested to attend a meeting where in the school library when on 20th Feb 2020 or whenever at 10 a.m. For what? To discuss the arrangements for the fair. And after that, leave a line, your signature, your name and your designation. Secretary, Science Society. That is to be written in the bracket. Put it in a box. Don't forget to put it in a box. Is it clear? Yes. Look here once more. Put it in the box. Important contents. How to write it? You have to underline. You have to underline the name of the issuing authority, underline the word notice, underline the heading. That's it. Another sample question you can go through. Ram Lakhani is the head boy of Bhavans Vidyalaya, Chandigarh.